Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for October 29th, 2025. I'm your host, bringing you the latest headlines, price action, and big stories shaping the digital assets landscape. On today's show, why Wall Street now loves Bitcoin more than ever, the latest surge in institutional crypto adoption, including a healthcare company bulking up its Bitcoin reserves, and how Ripple's ambitious reinvention could shake up the entire crypto payments game. Let's jump in with a reality check. Bitcoin was created to break free from banks, but 17 years after Satoshi's white paper, the very institutions it aimed to disrupt are now its greatest champions. From BlackRock's Bitcoin ETFs to JP Morgan accepting both Bitcoin and Ether as collateral, Wall Street isn't ignoring crypto anymore, it's enthusiastically embracing it. This evolution is more than just regulatory acceptance. Nobel Prize-winning economists say true progress comes when technology reshapes culture and old habits. That's exactly what's happening with Bitcoin. Its revolution is becoming institutional, even as the battle for self-custody and individual freedom continues at the grassroots level. For investors, that means more mainstream credibility and product variety. But don't forget, the question now is not whether the technology works, but what values and freedoms we want to preserve as it goes mainstream. Institutional adoption is making headlines not just at banks, but across sectors. Today, the Nasdaq-listed healthcare company Prenetics Global announced it secured $48 million to expand its Bitcoin treasury reserves. This isn't a crypto firm. It's a healthcare company allocating real funds to hold Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Prenetics joins a growing list of public companies betting on Bitcoin as a strategic treasury asset, following this week's news of over $200 million in new buys by firms like American Bitcoin and Strategy. Despite recent market volatility, big players are still adding Bitcoin to their corporate balance sheets, signaling long-term institutional confidence, even as trading volumes fluctuate. And in the world of altcoins, Ripple is suddenly the comeback kid. After resolving its long-standing legal fight with the SEC for a $125 million fine, Ripple has sprung into action, snapping up financial tech firms and building a true blockchain conglomerate. Ripple's XRP token is up an eye-popping 366% year-over-year, and now the company is targeting competition with heavyweights like Circle and Coinbase by bundling services like custody, payments, and treasury management. Major companies are even rolling out XRP-based treasury strategies, demonstrating that the end of regulatory uncertainty can unlock real institutional engagement. The big takeaway here, legal clarity and smart acquisitions can quickly transform a lagging crypto project into a serious player, so keep an eye on ecosystem growth beyond just price action. To recap, Wall Street's embrace is transforming Bitcoin from rebellion to regulated asset. Corporations of all types continue to quietly build BTC reserves as a hedge, and Ripple is using fresh legal freedom to reinvent itself as a multi-billion-dollar blockchain powerhouse. For crypto investors, today's lesson is clear. Mainstream adoption is accelerating, but the real revolution depends on both culture and personal choices. Stay informed, manage your risk, and remember to double-check your self-custody security. Thanks for listening to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast. For more insights, full links, and in-depth analysis, head to our blog at silklogic.ai/2025/10/29. Hit subscribe to catch tomorrow's roundup. I'll see you then.